Good morning. Okay, we're getting in. Kind of nervous. The cat lovers in the back. Not pedaling. We got our personal chauffeurs right here. Well, we just enjoy the ride. I think I'm so heavy. I think we're flooding. Quack to the motherfucking quack.
I like the little ducks.
Oh my god.
They have purple on them.
He's coming with us. I got you, honey.
So I think like you distract me.
It smells so good in here.
Yeah, so that was
Hey, this looks so fun. It said don't bring alcohol, but the root word of this drink is lemon, right? This is such a cute place, and I have the most perfect picnic basket to like come here, and I'd love to take my cat here. Probably, I got a lot of pet peeves, but probably my number one is when I hold the door open for a stranger and they just walk through as if it just magically opened them like angels.